everyone, I'm Liz Guerin and I'm a registered dietitian at the Cincinnati VA Medical Center. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a salmon wrap. This is a super easy recipe from the HTK cookbook, Cooking with Ease, which is a wonderful resource if you're looking to cook more convenient meals from home. As I said, this is a really simple recipe, only has 5 ingredients. The 5 ingredients we're going to be using today: 1 8-inch whole wheat tortilla, a half cup of broccoli salad or coleslaw, which you can find in the salad section of your grocery store, a 2.5 ounce packet of salmon, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil mayonnaise. This is a really easy twist on a chicken salad or a tuna salad recipe. So let's get started. So with this recipe, I'm also going to show you a fun way to utilize the tortilla instead of our typical roll-up wrap. So we've got the 8-inch tortilla. We're going to put that down, and we're going to cut a section along the diameter so that we can then fold it. We're going to then add 1 teaspoon of mustard, and if you're a big mustard fan, you can certainly use more if you like. So we're going to spread this onto 1/4 of our tortilla. Next up, we're going to use the mayonnaise, and again, 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise. We're going to take another section and put this onto our tortilla. And this is going to act like glue to hold it all together. From here, we're going to open up our salmon and place our salmon evenly onto 2 different sections of our tortilla. And we're just going to use the entire contents of the package. The only thing left with this is to then sprinkle on our coleslaw. And you could certainly add more ingredients if you wanted, avocado, tomato, or something spicy if you like. But from here, we're going to take our sliver and we're going to fold it. We're going to do another fold, and then one last fold, so that the product you're left with is easy to carry, easy to bite into, and that's it. It's as simple as that. We now have our salmon wrap, which you can pair nicely with a fresh vegetable and easy fruit, and you have a beautifully well-balanced meal. Very nice for someone who's cooking for one, or if you're looking for a nice healthy lunch alternative. Thanks everyone for cooking with me today. I hope you liked our 5 ingredient recipe with no mess. If you're interested in getting in contact with a dietitian like myself or other HTK cookbooks like this one, you can call 513-475-6309. Thank you.